Hello everyone, welcome to Geo Optimizer tutorial video. So basically, Geo Optimizer is generative engine optimization. Is a process of optimizing your website so that AI powered search engine and generative models can easily find, understand and reference your content. Geo plugin helps organize your content using clear heading, structured data, and systematic formatting. This makes your content easier for both humans and AI system to understand. Now let's see how this plugin works. First, go to your member area and open a download menu. Here you will see the license key and a plugin. So simply click on this option and your plugin will be downloaded, and copy this license key. And after this, go to your WordPress admin. Here simply go to the plugin section, add plugin option, click on upload plugin, choose file from your local system and click on install now and click on activate plugin. This is how your plugin will be activated and uploaded. Now here you will see the menu. Now simply go to the authentication option, add your license key, click on save settings and your setting will be saved. Now you will able to use this menus. So basically in the dashboard you will see many options like AI bot access, schema markup, content score and AI enhanced post. And now here you can see all the recent posts also which you have created in the post section. So if you want to enhance your post, simply go to the auto AI ready option. Here you will see the most of your option like answer your capsule, FAQ section, better heading, strong intro, freshness note and authority signals. Simply select your post and it will visible here. It will ask you to add your API key in your setting first. So first go to your setting, enter your Anthropic API key. This will you get from the console.anthropic.com. So simply paste your API key here. And it will ask you to enter your brand and authority identification. So simply type here to so basically you just need to enter some details here. Now you have a second option called technical geo features. You can organize by this button. If you want this schema markup, simply on and off this, and all this feature you can manage from here too. Now simply click on save settings. Your API key will be your setting will be saved successfully. Now you will go to the auto AI ready option, select any post. Now click on auto make AI ready. Simply click on this option. It will take some time to enhance your post. You just need to wait for a few seconds and it will enhance your post. Here you can see our score is 0 on this post and now it is new score is 90. So basically it has enhanced your post very much, and if you want to regenerate it, so you can simply regenerate it. If you want to save, simply click on this save to WordPress option. Here your post will be updated successfully. Now if you want to enhance other, simply click on enhance other, and if you want to view your post, simply click on this, and it will redirect you to the here. You can simply view your post here. And now we have option called Geo Audit. So here you will get the basically some technical checks you can manage here. As you can see, our post AI readiness, this is the post we have enhanced, and you can see it will get the mark like AI enhance, and it will give you the score 100%. So basically you can also enhance all your posts and get a score 100%, and it will visible on your AI models. And now we have lms text.txt file. So basically you can generate this, and this is how the content will be visible on this file. So this is the short overview of Geo Optimizer. Hope you like the video. Thank you.